Unveiling the Quiet Voice, Understanding, Whispered. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets behind a very special way of speaking. A way that's as soft as a feather and as secretive as a hidden treasure. Yes, you've guessed it. We're talking about the word, whispered. By the end of this video, you'll know not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in and learn something new together. Whispering is a speaking technique where someone uses their breath, rather than their vocal cords, to produce sound. When someone whispers, they speak very softly and quietly, usually intending to be heard only by a specific person or persons. It's often used in situations where privacy is needed, or in places where silence is expected, like a library or during a movie. People might whisper for various reasons. Privacy, when they want to communicate a message that is meant for only a few ears. Quiet areas, in places where it's important to stay quiet, like in a quiet carriage of a train or when someone is sleeping. Secrecy, sharing secrets or sensitive information. Health reasons, sometimes, when someone has a sore throat, they might whisper to avoid strain. To help you understand how to use whispered in sentences, let's look at some examples. She whispered the answer to me during the test so the teacher wouldn't hear. The trees whispered in the wind, creating a serene atmosphere. He whispered, "I love you," so that only she could hear. Here are some common phrases that include the word whispered. Stage whisper, a deliberately loud whisper by an actor, intended to be heard by the audience. Whispered words, often refers to spoken words that are meant to be kept confidential. A whisper of doubt, a very small or faint doubt. Practicing the use of whispered can be fun. Here's how you can practice. Role play with a friend, take turns whispering sentences to each other. Writing exercise, write a short story and include dialogue where the characters must whisper. Observation, listen for situations in movies or shows where characters whisper and think about the reasons why. And that's a wrap on Whispered. We hope this quiet journey into the world of whispers has been enlightening for you. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in the little details, and whispered is just one of those delicate nuances that can add depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, keep whispering those new words. Learning never has to be loud. Happy learning!